Brushing your teeth twice a day keeps them clean and healthy. But do you know how to brush properly? Yes, brushing them properly is critical for healthy tooth care. Otherwise, all of your hard work could be undone due to toothaches or other issues. Learn how to brush your teeth in this manner. We will share 4 tips and a bonus tip to you to have solid teeth. Tip number 1. Brushing your teeth after eating is essential for good dental health. Brush your teeth after eating, but not straight away. Wait at least an hour to allow the enamel created after eating to work on your teeth. Tip number 2. Brush not only in the morning, but also at night, 1 hour after eating or before bedtime, to prevent germs from becoming trapped in the mouth and teeth. Otherwise, germs that remain around overnight can cause tooth damage. Tip number 3. This strategy is incorrect if you brush in a hurry and simply brush once or twice. Brush for at least 3 minutes, starting at the root of the teeth and working along the gum line to remove plaque. Tip number 4. Brushing your teeth too hard might damage the roots and lead to toothache. Use a brush with delicate bristles and brush lightly. Last bonus tip, brush your teeth with lemon once every 5 weeks to minimize yellowing and give them a gleaming appearance. Apart from that, continue to consume vitamin C, curd, salad, and other tooth-friendly foods. And if you have bad smell in your mouth, then you can use ginger. Having a ginger in mouth can reduce bad smell. So, if you really find this informative, then like this video, share this video, comment down below your brush time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.